So hello everyone, my name is Nilesh Agarwal and I would like to welcome you to our channel that is Regal Investing. आज हम जानेंगे टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के बारे में, बेसिक ऑफ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। बट आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, इससे पहले भी हमारी एक वीडियो आ चुकी है जो कि थी बेसिक ऑफ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के ऊपर। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज़ जाएँ उसे देखें। उसको देखने के लिए आप हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं और हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं। ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ जस्ट फॉलो अस ओवर इंस्टाग्राम और यू कैन कनेक्ट अस टू टेलीग्राम। चलिए इसको अब आगे बढ़ते हुए हम आपको लेके चलते हैं। बट आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, वी आर नॉट सेबी रजिस्टर्ड। ऑल द कॉल्स न्यूज गिवन बाय अस इज फॉर द एजुकेशनल पर्पस ओनली। प्लीज कंसल्ट योर एडवाइजर बिफोर मेकिंग एनी इन्वेस्टमेंट। चलिए विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू अब कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपने वीडियो को। सो व्हाट इज़ टेक्निकल एनालिसिस। बट टेक्निकल एनालिसिस जानने से पहले जानते हैं और भी कौन से एनालिसिस होते हैं। सो अलग अलग लोगों का अलग अलग तरह का कैलकुलेशन होता है जिसके थ्रू वो जज करते हैं कि उन्हें कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना है। सो बेसिकली फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस में हम लोग कंपनी की बैलेंस शीट, कंपनी के स्टेटमेंट्स को देखते हैं और उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्रिडिक्शन करते हैं कि आगे आने वाले टाइम में कंपनी कैसा परफॉर्म करेगी। बट इन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। Technical analysis is all about history, and in technical analysis we can say that history repeats itself. Here is a written phrase that I have written here: history repeats itself, but in such a cunning and disguise that we never detect resemblance until the damage is done. So टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में जो चीज़ें होती हैं स्टॉक मार्केट की, वो काफ़ी टाइम के बाद या फिर कभी कभी टाइम पे रिपीट होती रहती हैं। तो हमें उसी को प्रिडिक्ट करना है, और जो इंसान उसको अच्छी तरीके से प्रिडिक्ट कर लेगा ही कैन ईजिली गेन अ लॉट ऑफ मनी। आप नीचे दो पिक्चर भी देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि आपने देखा है जीन्स पैटर्न आप दोनों का देख सकते हैं। किसको लगा था आने वाले टाइम में इस तरह के जीन्स का फैशन बैक होगा, लेकिन नहीं, अब तो फिर ये ट्रेंड में आ चुका है। सो ओवरऑल वी कैन से दैट टेक्निकल एनालिसिस इज नथिंग जस्ट अ हिस्ट्री विच इज रिपीटिंग इटसेल्फ अगेन एंड अगेन। From technical analysis, you make prediction using the past data to understand whether what will going to happen in the future. सो फॉर डूइंग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस हम लोग को देखना होता है कि व्हाट इज़ द क्लोजिंग प्राइस, व्हाट इज़ द ओपनिंग प्राइस, व्हाट इज़ द हाई प्राइस, व्हाट इज़ द लो प्राइस ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक। तो उसके लिए हमें कैंडल स्टिक पैटर्न्स को प्रिडिक्ट करना होता है और रीड करना होता है। तो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ कि हम ये करेंगे कैसे। इट लुक्स प्रिटी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ना, बट डोंट वरी, वी आर हियर। So in this slide you can see that there are different types of chart available for the market. Over like you can see that there are candle graph, there is bar graph, and there is XYZ many more graph. So what we have to do for technical analysis, we basically use candle graph. So over candle graph we used to see the opening price, closing price and other data to predict what will going to happen in the near future. But in the graph you can see that there are numbers of candlestick and different types of candlestick. Some are green, some are red, some are different kinds of basically candlesticks. So we have to know what is green candlestick and what is red candlestick and what does it imply. So moving to the next slide, here we can see that there are two candlestick, one is green and one is red. So that you can see that कि whenever the opening price is greater than closing price, it turn out to be a green candlestick, and whenever the opening price is smaller than closing price, then it turns out to be a red candlestick. On the top you can see that high. What does high mean? High means that nothing, just उस दिन का सबसे highest price जो उस शेयर ने टच किया है, and at the lower side you can see that low. Low is nothing, just the उस दिन का सबसे lowest price जो शेयर ने हिट किया है, and from open I means that कि उस दिन का उस दिन particular day पे जिस रेट पे मार्केट में शेयर ओपन हुआ है, and closing means कि उस दिन पे जो शेयर उस particular प्राइस पे क्लोज हुआ है। Here is a small example. Here you can see that for the green candle the low value is 60 and high value is 140. What does it mean? इसका मतलब है कि शेयर लोएस्ट वैल्यू जो उस दिन टच किया था वो 60 रुपीज़ थी, और जो हाईएस्ट वैल्यू टच किया था वो 140 रुपीज़ थी। एंड ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड वी कैन सी दैट 100 and 120. 100 is nothing, just the opening price of the share, and 120 is nothing, just the closing price of the share. And the green candlestick is also known as bullish candlestick. And on the right hand side of the screen we can see that a red candlestick. On the red candlestick on the top it has written 140, that means the highest price of that particular share in that particular day, and 60 means that the lowest price of that particular share on that particular day. Now it has been written 100 and 80 on the right hand side. For the red candlestick, as we know, the opening is on the top and the closing is below bottom. So 100 was the opening price of that share and 80 was the closing price of that particular share at that particular day. So overall we can say that if the opening price is greater than closing price, then it turn out to be a green candlestick, and if the closing price is greater than opening price, then it turn out to be a red candlestick. Red candlestick are also known as bearish candlestick. And now you can see that a small line on the top and bottom of the candlestick, that is nothing, just a wick, and the red and green portion, that is called the body of the candlestick. Now you must be wondering what kind of a candlestick is this. अभी तो ऊपर तो कुछ और explain हुआ, but now here there are different types of candlestick. There are 1,000 types of candlestick, but here we will try to understand what is the meaning of these candlestick. For now, this on the candle on the most left side of the screen is called is kind of a candlestick where the low price and high end closing price are given at the top and bottom, and opening price in the middle of the screen. Now here you can see that there is no wick on the top of the candle. How does it even possible? So it is nothing, just the opening the closing price and the highest points of that particular share on that particular day was same goes with the middle candle, and for the right candle we can say that the closing and the lowest price was same for that particular share on that particular day. That is why there is no wick at the bottom of that red candle. So as I told you, there are numbers of 10 types of candlestick in the types of candlestick, but here I will try to explain you about 3 types of candlestick, that is doji, hammer and shooting star. So on the left side of the screen you can see a doji candlestick, where it is called also known as neutral candlestick, where the bulls and bears both try to take a fight, but at the end of the day the results are neutral. There is very little movement in the opening and closing price of that particular share. On the middle of the screen you can see a bullish candle, that is also known as hammer candlestick. In this the closing and high price of the particular share is both are equal, and that is why there is no wick at the top, and it is known as bullish candlestick because here the bulls have won over the bears. On the right of the screen you can see a shooting star, where the closing price and the low price of the share are equal, and it is also known as bearish candlestick because the bear has won the battle over the bullish. So now ending the video, I hope you find this video insightful and helpful. You can also follow us on Instagram and join our Telegram channel for free, and if you want to get the link, please make sure to join us, and thanks for watching our video. Thank you.